Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the device. Back up important data to Google or local storage and plug into Wi-Fi so the download won't use mobile data. Make sure the battery is at least 50% and free up about 1 GB of storage if the update requires it. Once done, open Settings, go to System or About Phone, then Software Update. Tap Check for updates and let the phone search for the latest build so you can proceed to download. After an update is found, review the release notes and the download size so you know what changes and how long it might take. Choose to download now on Wi-Fi or schedule for later, then start the download and keep the phone plugged in, avoiding heavy use that could interrupt the process. Once the package finishes, tap Install. The device will verify, apply files, and monitor the progress, but let the system complete the steps without forcing shutdowns. When the phone restarts, check Settings, right arrow About Phone to confirm the new Android version, and then update apps in the Play Store to match system changes. If you see sluggish behavior, clear the system cache or perform a simple restart to allow services to reinitialize. If the device won't boot or behaves erratically, boot into recovery mode and clear cache partition. If that fails, restore from your backup or use factory. Reset as a controlled last resort recovery step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.